So a question I get a lot is, do I need to work on the farm? People want to know, hey, if I'm signing up to come or to buy a cabin here, what is my maintenance responsibility? And really, I love that question because that was kind of the thoughtfulness behind the farm in the first place. There's such a desire in people's hearts now to have acreage, to have access to open space. But people don't understand how much work it is to take care of things. And so the idea of the farm at Okefenokee is you can own a farm. I mean, look, you're a farm owner, but you can do as little or as much as you actually want to do. So for the person that says, hey, I want the romance of living on a farm, I want to enjoy the bounty that comes from the fields, I don't want to weed, I don't want to deal with taking all the old crops out and putting new ones in, hey, you're in the right place. To the person that says, hey, I've had gardens, I'm ready to move to the next step, I want to be involved in growing heritage seeds, from the very beginning to putting them in the ground, to watching them grow and harvesting them, hey, guess what? You're in the right place. Anybody on the spectrum is going to find the farm at Okefenokee awesome for where they're at. So you can do as little or you can